Hello, welcome to the grotto. You just caught me with a delivery. This came today, so let's grab a knife, get it open, and see if I can remember what I ordered. Just put that knife away. Right, let's see how well this was packaged. Okay, bubble wrap. Genuine Lenovo power adapter, that's a good start. Now, not too much bubble wrap, look, I can see the laptop through it. Anything else? Nope. Ah yes, this came with the port replica or docking station, whatever you would like to call it. Ah, there we go, look. Oh, what's that? Can you see what that is? I'll tell you what, let's change the view, see if you can zoom in a bit. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Wonder what that is, look. Oh, it's a bit dirty. But I knew that in the photo from eBay, so I think that's why nobody else was bidding on it. So, what's that? Is that? Oh, I've never seen that before. That's a little aerial, look. Let's get rid of this bubble wrap. Ching! The nipples there. Bit of wear on the stickers, but hey ho. Now, the problem with this laptop, allegedly, according to the eBay description, is that it's faulty because they couldn't load an operating system. Now, I wonder if that's because they're trying to use a modern operating system like Windows 10, or whether they actually have a genuine Windows XP installation they can use. I suspect they're trying to get a modern operating system on this beast. Now, I know it's an X61s, and I used to buy these for about £1,500 when I worked at the head office of a retail company. Let's see if this power adapter will power up the laptop then. Let's see what happens. Press the power button. Oh, some lights come on. I can hear wiring. Yay! So it hasn't got damaged in the post. That's good. There we go. This should come up with the error saying no operating system installed. Now, it could even be that they haven't installed an operating system. They've not even tried, so it hasn't failed. They just haven't tried, and they're just pretending that they have because of what the error message says. Can you see that? Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. Ka-ching! Oh, hang on. That's better. Look. So look. Yeah, there you go. Look. Just over here. Look. No valid operating system. You know what we've got to do now? We've got to install an operating system. Now, although this laptop doesn't actually have an optical disk drive built in, it did come with a port replicator. I don't know if you can see that. A port replicator or docking station, depending on what you want to call it. I would say this is more of a proper docking station because it's got an optical drive built into the actual docking station itself. So let me grab my trusted Windows XP disk. Right, let's power up and see if she'll boot from the CD-ROM. Well, I can hear some wiring. Oh, it's spinning up. Is it going to do it? Whoa, it's doing it. Fantastic. Oh, like that even. Hey. Hey, so what we want now is to set up Windows XP, so we'll press enter. Setup did not find any hard disk drives installed. Well, there's definitely one there. Press F3. What? It's going to the BIOS and in the config and in serial 88 we need to change that to compatibility. Now we can hopefully get on and install Windows XP. Here we go then, let's press enter to set it up. Yeah, I've read all of that, F8. Unpartitioned space, let's delete it. No, you can't because it hasn't actually done anything. So C to create partition, yeah, we'll have that. That will do. Oh, and we want quick format because I ain't waiting forever. Oh, we're restarting soon. Here we go. United States. Let's see if the nipple works. Oh, it does. Excellent. Well, there you go. Windows XP is installed. So the fact that they couldn't install an operating system clearly means they didn't change the setting in the BIOS like I did. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.